Kaseng Voice of the People Party, Kynthoh ke National People's Party, nakabenta ka Jingbun pat ka jongka, ha ka Jingdon ki hinriu pungut kit khot, ha ki dor bar thauan da ka baong ya ka. Bakadai ka Jingbun pat ka bom shong hok. U President ka VPP uba Arden Miller besai mot ulapen pau baka Jingbun pat ke NPP kam don ya ka jingshisha. Namar baka klem yo ya ka ling ba ka jingjob ha ki election hinrei ling ba ka jing pet seng jong ki Emily. Ka VPP kelapen tikna bakan sa shimkia ban omdon shu ke jingi pet seng bat kan bu dien kat kum ka an lada don kam.
To be proud of, because this is not an election where people elected a party with a single largest. They got that number through proxy, and maybe those MLAs they cannot withstand the pressure that the government is giving towards the members belonging to the opposition. So had they won on their own during the election, had they won by the verdict of the people, yes, I would have appreciated, I would have congratulated, but they've got this number through proxy. So there's nothing to share about.